What I have said is that I have no ambition at all. I feel myself sincerely. I don't ambition power, money, nothing, 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 nothing.
Yeah, for the most part, I'm a simple man, so I can relate. But I want a few things out of life. And one of those things are just being able to do what I want upon a rhythm. That's it. But me here where I say still, me here where I say. Me see how them want it, me see how me want spit, me see how me want sit now 16 the link in a spiffy clean shot, me see how want intervene. Beg your pardon, a party, this is what spitting it is. Them laugh interacted, giving me a list of wicked. Yeah, that is, tell me this invisible script, where y'all call it the prison rhythm. Regardless still, me not the arguing thing, all them want do is win at any cost. So me be careful when me telling y'all, see them killers brought down and beg abroad. So me blasting past it, blasted crosses. Stop for a minute where us is flossing. 30 years jumping, rock with me darling. Pretty young thing where your posse are going with, eh? Fuck with a nigga. Hustle is attractive, me love every stripper and them big money around me. They are sing swing song and bouncy. This one you're roasting, your brave crew I die too. Quicks and you found it, even if them find you, me not blame you. Do the same for your life, fool. My youth, man a soldier. How are this guy juice for me shoulder? Me be a blood if you pay me enough. Foreign danger, my dogs that stay in his love. Straight up, straight up, straight up, straight. Niggas want hate us, me tell them back. I'm a raised in Jamaica. Mind power so like it race in Vegas. Grind for your money, baby, save your paper. Time is coming when your face is later. And when she all undone, you're the pervert that makes you want own a gun. Cause your check said the girl owe you some. She and a young girl that can't afford her son. A story that's more than love. It just seems hella minute. Trust me, me see it from my brother point of view. So me go tell my mother, say her daughter dance to $25 father. So would you wait till you feel rejuvenated? Her face it no you, she's naked. We suggest, you not just guess. We only give a fuck when the subject fresh like brand new clothes. Make me get it upset. God damn you hoes make no fucking sense. But they make dollars and the shutters them follow. And the shutters them follow till them squander every dollar. Me a talking every corner. Roll me a spliff again. Where you want go? Forward. Show me where's a different dance. I make me split the pay for them. When me split the dividends, then me have to dip again. I will upon you pay the friends. I'm at the hunt. Tell them say I got a plan. So me have to move on. Me not there for too long. So want anything, you a got hell with me, fucking up my vibe. Me look into the eye of the beast, and all the I see, and nothing but me. I brought down the beat, hustle with fleas, W-E. Now feel the need for you, if I'm puff my stuff as you need. So rock with me, this is for Bob's spirit. Food for the souls of job fitness. If you want to escape the rock city, then hear them prophecy. Them say all y'all niggas is lost. Call y'all pillars of salt. Not even dinner for your dog. Last time me asked my pastor, all I got people are sinners, not them pass. So all the blood clot, hallelujah. Pray not make the dog start shoot ya. Me I want a blood-bad future. I'ma just want $2. My music raising parents. I use it to pray for your dear when. We apex, cannibal, warrior, family, nothing. Ram shot the village and damage it. Send me up, promise me. Gangsters, send me, I go lead by example. Really I don't want to. Really when me want to. It's simply irresponsible. You see enemies as pimple and proper now.